The Community Food Bank of Eastern Oklahoma serves the 24 eastern counties from state line to state line. We work with individuals and families who are frankly food insecure. They may get their next meal, but they don't necessarily know where it's going to come from. And in that role, we really depend on the help of volunteers. Unfortunately, 1 in every 6 Oklahomans is classified as being food insecure, and 1 in 4 of our children go hungry. That's just really not a sustainable model. We need all of our citizens to be at their best. So many Tulsans realize that. They come in, they spend their time, they volunteer, and they help us put food out very quickly. This past year, over 12,000 of our neighbors came in and helped us out, providing about $1 million worth of services that we didn't have to pay for. Today we've got the Tulsa Shock back there, and it's awesome. They're moving around, dancing bolts back there. They're having a good time, but they're putting a lot of food out. And that food will go out through our partner programs and will be on somebody's table who needs it, probably by the end of the week.
Today was a very important day for our organization. Every quarter we take some time out of our day to give back to the community. Today, with Eileen Bradshaw's help with the Eastern Oklahoma Food Bank, 25 of our staff members took part in a 2-hour volunteer work in giving back to the community. This is a very important aspect of our community service, and especially this time of year around the holiday season when a lot of children and families and individuals are in need of help. So this organization every quarter takes the time with our volunteers, with our staff, to help nonprofits like the Eastern Oklahoma Food Bank. On behalf of the organization, we wish everyone a happy holiday season and happy Thanksgiving.